Thanks everyone for coming to the orientation on Friday. This week we get into our normal schedule. So the preview questions are due on Monday night at midnight. You'll begin your group assignments now. They're due on Friday nights at midnight. It's only necessary for one person in each group to submit the work. The first question on the group work assignment is just a confirmation that everyone contributed. I'm assuming everyone will check the box and then move on with the work. If someone doesn't contribute, please check the other box and list the names of those people who do contribute so that they can get credit for the assignment. This week is one of the more challenging weeks of content that you will deal with. We're going to begin looking at word problems. I can promise you there will be a word problem on every single test that we take. And the word problems typically are one of those things that cause people problems. They're not easy, but they're also not impossible. There is a pretty straightforward way of handling word problems, and there are some important elements that you need to make sure that you understand and can move forward on. I would strongly encourage you to open up the word problems introduction and work your way through what it means to assign variables and what that process looks like. There is a homework assignment that is not associated with my math lab that is within that page. So open that up and click the orange button to get to that assignment. On the test, if you want full credit, you will need to assign your variables and you need to write your answer in the form of a sentence with proper units. It's important that your work be easy for someone who's reading your work to interpret. And that's why you assign variables, and that's why you define your answer in the context of the problem. Okay. Once you get through the word problem stuff, you're going to move on to solving inequalities. Again, there are elements there that will be on the test that sometimes cause people problems. You need to learn how to represent infinite solution sets using interval notation and using set builder notation, and that is within that within those documents are all the information that you need to work on that. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me an email or see me when I'm on campus.